Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Cod Warzone 2.0 on PC updated. Launch Warzone, configure settings, and join a match. Start by checking system requirements and updating GPU drivers for stable performance. Set display to full screen and choose native resolution for clarity. Adjust sensitivity slowly and test in a private match. Pick a loadout that matches your playstyle and learn simple map rotations. Practice aiming and movement to improve fast. I'll walk through the key settings to boost performance and aim precision. Start with graphics. Lower shadow and particle quality to raise FPS without big visual loss. Enable frame pacing and set cap to your monitor refresh rate. Use HD textures if you have RAM to spare. Tune FOV for better situational awareness, then set sensitivity per weapon class. Always test in a private match and tweak until movement and aim feel natural. Quick recommendation: if you like reading between matches, try the new Kindle Paperwhite for crisp text and long battery life. Please subscribe and like if you find this video helpful and want more tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. I included it there for easy access. The Paperwhite is light, waterproof, and perfect for downtime between matches. It's my go-to for travel. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's cover combat basics for winning firefights and surviving rounds. Prioritize positioning. High ground and cover reduce exposure. Keep crosshair at head level and pre-aim common angles to shorten reaction time. Use audio to locate footsteps in vehicles and equip a quality headset. Manage loadouts with a mix of AR and SMG for range versatility. Play with a small squad, communicate rotations, and always carry one self-rescue option. Practice clutch scenarios regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.